Hey guys, we're getting into this tile job here. As you can see, we're setting a pretty large format tile. They're 12 by 24 stone, natural stone, slate tiles. And they're pretty heavy. And what you're going to find when you're setting a tile like this is that they want to drop into your mortar bed. So what we're doing today, we're using a 3/8 by 3/8, and we've got a 1/2 by 1/2 notch trowel here. And so we're using them in different areas because this floor isn't totally flat. But we're putting a pretty thick mortar bed down, and then what we're doing is something that you should always do when you're setting a large format tile, and that's back buttering the tile. So you can see here, we're setting them up on the bucket, and we're loading them up with thin set. In the lower areas of the floor, we're actually putting a full notch on the back of the tile, and in areas where it's a little bit higher, the higher areas, we are just doing a kind of a heavy skim with the flat side of our notch trowel. And you can see what it does is when you set it into your mortar, you get full contact on the back of the tile. Get a little squeeze out, that's okay. We know that we got lots of mortar on the back of this baby. Pull her up. See, we got full contact there, which is what you want. High traffic areas, TCNA says 95% coverage on the back of your tile, 85% in the low traffic areas. This is a cottage we're doing here, but this is also the kitchen. Patio door going out onto a deck here. So we're doing a heavy duty insulation. And you're probably wondering why I'm setting right on the plywood. Some people say that's a no-no, but we're using logic here. You know you have to have a minimum of 1¼ inch substrate, and it's wood, to set tile on. We've got almost 2 inches of wood here on 2 by 10 joists, cross-bridged, 16-inch on center. The homeowner didn't really want a spring for an uncoupling membrane or a backer board installation, so we did a proper 6-inch on center, or actually it's more like 4-inch on center screw job on the plywood to make it into one complete wood assembly. Tie all the different layers of subfloor together. Ran screws through the whole thing, and then we primed it with a Tech acrylic bond primer, mixed 3:1 ratio, so that we didn't have any moisture problems when we're letting our thin set cure here. And we're using a modified thin set, so we're using a high quality Ladder Creek thin set, latex modified. And so hopefully this is going to last for a long, long time. Have a good day.